What's up guys, how you doing? Coming at you with a new unboxing. This time we give you a something premium and for the sporty people who likes, going to the gym and training, such as me, you know what I'm saying? So this product guys, it's called the Bose Soundsport Free Wireless. So let's unbox it and see what we have. Okay, so very beautiful unboxing experience. When you open it, you get some instructions here. You get some, easy to love, hard to lose. Download the Bose Connect app to track misplaced earbuds anymore and more. Oh, okay. So you can track your earbuds. That's kind of cool. Now, before I just do anything else, I want to warn you that this thing only works in an iPod, iPhone, iPad. So any Mac type of thing can actually sync to it and work with it. I don't know about the Android, but I will try it and see if it can work with the Android, because it's very important to confirm this to the public, and I feel very responsible to do so. Let's go back to the unboxing. So there you go, very nice unboxing. And oh yeah, the cable guys, so I just open it and try to open it again, but the charging cable is plugged there. Anyways, it's just a normal charging cable. Let me try to open up. Oops, it's very tight, by the way. Bose or Bose, excuse me, it's not a Bose. We're able to really fit everything right here. So let's take a look at the actual station, charging station. I will call it the charging station because it's so big. Okay, one con here is the micro USB. So it's not a USB-C, guys. And as you can see here, if you give it one click, it shows you the battery life inside this station. And if you push it inside real hard, it's gonna click and open up what's inside the station, which is we have one earpod, wireless. Is this the right one? Let me just see. Yeah, let's take a look at it first. Okay, so this is a magnetics for the charging port, as you can see, and it looks nice, very beautiful. I'm eager to try it actually, because it's so big from outside. I know if you wear it, it's like you having a black earrings, these gothic looking like people, but it's I think it fits really good. It seems thinner, or actually lighter than the Samsung Gear Icon X, but I hope it's gonna be comfortable, especially we have these things in your ear canal. So I'm gonna try it out and report back, but this is just an unboxing, guys. Let me just put it back here, and as you can see, this is how it looks like when it charges, and when it ends, it's supposed to give you like another light that it's okay, it's full. So what else we have in the box other than the charging cable? We have the micro USB charging cable, and we have drugs, and we have some spare parts. So it depends. Sometimes some people have big ears, some people have small ears, some people have small ear canal, some people have no ears. So yeah, this is for you to test what type of size this gonna fit for you. So that's it, guys. This is what it comes with the box. And there's a couple of paperwork. I didn't bring the paperwork, I cheated a little bit. I'm trying to see what's inside. It's just the papers, right? Nothing else. Yeah, just tell you how to install it, how to operate it, how to sync it with the Bluetooth and application also. So I'm very interested to check out the application. This product seems very promising. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. But if If you like the unboxing, please like it and share it, and subscribe and tell your friends, so I can just bring you more things again, and more giveaways as well. So thank you very much, guys, and see you guys later.